There's been more than one Jeep upside down right there.
All right, we're over here at George's house. We got something that George is gonna show us. So everybody's always wanted to know how much the Scorpion weighs. So we're gonna figure that out.
You definitely got to guess down below before you watch ahead.
All right, so we recently just put 1 tons on the Scorpion, so it's gonna make it quite a bit heavier, probably about 800 pounds heavier than it was before, is my guesstimate. My guess is gonna be, oh gosh, 4,500 pounds. Cooler, tools, and me.
And you? 48.
48?
Yeah.
4,400 pounds, 4,800 pounds. I'm gonna go 5,300 pounds.
5,300 pounds?
Yep,
Josh?
53.
You've worked on it a lot lately.
I was thinking more like 55, 56, 55, 50.
Yep.
I think it's heavy.
Whoa, you think it's that heavy?
I think it's heavy.
That's JK weight.
I agree.
JK weight.
I think when I pull my 392 up here, it's not gonna be that much difference.
All right, let's find out. You got it.
Are
on
they
there.
on? Winner, chicken dinner.
Dude.
That's more like it.
Holy Toledo.
That's more like what I thought.
57.35.
57?
What? You got like a 2,000 pound skid
I
plate.
told you weighed a buttload. I knew it.
Let me get out to have an accurate
Okay,
measurement.
57,
Will you be?
45.
You ever drive it without
just,
you in it?
It just went down to 55.90. So you weigh 150 pounds.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Hey, but it still goes up the rocks.
Big bertha. It's a good thing you don't weigh what I weigh. You'd really be screwed.
Well, what's funny is, if that's what it means, that means you're like a huge percentage of the weight of your Samurai, which would mean if you lost 100 pounds, your Samurai would wheel.
So I should go on a cookie and Dr. Pepper diet and see if I lose weight?
I prefer ice cream and Diet Dr. Pepper. It's like a cleanse.
With you in it, it was 62.80.
With you out of it, it's 60, 80.
And I guess 6,000.
And I guess, yeah, but you're never going to not be in it. 6,200.
You don't weigh the Jeep with you in it.
You have to weigh the Jeep with you in it because that's how you wheel it.
When you go through the truck stop, do they tell you you have to be in it?
Yes, because you're driving the truck.
Yes. Yes. So yes, it is 6,200 pounds.
All right, guys, now we're gonna go do buggy stuff. The plan is to hit nasty half. Ah! Josh is messing with me again. Don't make fun. My favorite knife is missing, and I'm having to eat my tuna by squeezing it. That's spicy. Bold. I do have a 2-week-old bagel from the hotel.
Right rear's not climbing. It's just getting bound.
That's a tight squeeze for this fat old girl.
That thing start life as a Comanche? Cherry start.
is my buddy William, and he's gonna show us how to rock crawl his Jeep. Right, dude? Oh, yeah. All right, let's see it. That was rad. You coming? Dude, that was gnarly.
What did you think of Slip Log Canyon?
I thought it was too short.
Thought it was too short?
Oh, nice.
You
I
like
like
that?
it.
Just the two of us.
You and I. Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean.
Even
Be
got the
careful, you
divots in
keep
it.
that on, you're gonna like it too much, I promise you. You gonna take me on the maze at nighttime? Moonlight night run. Oh yeah. Hey, check that out.
Oh yeah, lots of traction, lots of grip. You think I can crawl it?
There's been more than one Jeep upside down right there. This is called the Soup Bowl. I'm gonna take the big wrecker through this.
I've looked at this before and it looks like if you mess up in here, it's gonna be a long night.
Don't mess up in here. Use your weasel-like body. Shout out to you, whoever you are.
Hey guys, you've wanted us to come up north for a long time now, so good news.
Matt and I are going to be at the Dayton Off-Road and Outdoor Expo on February 25th and 26th.
At the Roberts Center in Wilmington, Ohio.
It's put together by the Muddy Buddies Jeep Wrangler Club.
It's going to be a fun time, so if you can come out and hang out with us,
Make sure you set your calendars, so we'll see you there.
we look forward to seeing you guys there.
Hey guys, we appreciate you watching. We had a good time today. We hope you guys check out our other videos. They're over there. And make sure you get on and buy some merch because we have a lot of good stuff.
Oh, I'm wearing the wrong shirt. Pick up your bleeping trash, Dr. Pepper addicts. Jeez.
Don't forget your trash bag at BleepinJeep.com.